Installation and operation instruction of fully automatic hydraulic concrete block machine. Preparation before installation. 1. Workshop or workshed. Workshop or shed is ready, suggested height, 4 meters. 2. Concrete floor. Adopt C200 concrete, suggested thickness, 15 centimeters plus. 3. Foundation work. Please follow the foundation drawing, no need for small and medium model. 4. Water supply. Both tap water and well water is okay. 5. Power supply. Enough 3-phase power distribution for the whole plant. 6. Items list checking. 1. Crane or forklift 3.5-ton 3-ton is enough for model smaller than QT4-18. 2. Installation tools, wrenches 1 set, vise, pipe wrench, steel rod, screwdriver, knife, hammer, lifter, etc. 3. Gearbox oil, grease and hydraulic oil only for hydraulic models. 4. Welding machine 1 set. 5. Polishing machine 1 set. 6. Cutting machine 1 set. 7. Accessories along with the machine like screws and bolts, chains and springs. 8. Wires, cables, insulating sleeves. 9. Water tank, water pipe and water pump. 10. Pallets. 7. Staff needed. 1 manager, for normal labors, 1 electrician, 1 welder. Block machine, installation steps. Equipments in position. Firstly, the equipments should be placed in position with a crane or forklift. For models above 4-15, please refer to the foundation drawing, and models smaller than 4-15 should be determined according to the site situation and factory shed. Please note that the distance between the site distribution cabinet and the equipment control cabinet should not be too far, suggested distance no more than 20 meters. Wiring work. 1. Main cable. The main cable should be prepared by customers according to the required length, using 3-phase cables of no less than 6 square millimeters of each wire. Connect one end of the main cable to the distribution cabinet and the other end through the wire hole, as shown in the video, to the main power switch of the control cabinet. Conveyor uses cable of no less than 1.5 square millimeters and the JW400 mixer uses cable of no less than 2.5 square millimeters. Motor cables, control cabin attend. The motor cables are provided by the manufacturer to connect between the control cabinet and the motor to provide power for the motors. The motor cable's output terminals are located at the bottom row of the electrical control cabinet, and according to the labels above as shown in the video, connect them one by one. .1 motor cables, motor end. Connect the other end to the junction box of each motor in the way as shown in the video. Three. Signal cables. There are 2 sets of signal lines. One set is connected to the limit switch sensor on the host machine, and the other set is connected to the hydraulic station magnetic valves. The signal lines are all with quick plug interfaces. Just connect them as the way shown in the video. 4. Hydraulic system. Open the oil injection hole and add 180 liters of number 46 hydraulic oil, according to the marks and labels. Connect the hydraulic oil pipes and each group of magnetic valve blocks. Customer can decide whether to connect to the water cooling system based on the local temperature. Water cooling is recommended for temperatures above 25 Celsius degrees. Five. Equipment's adjustment. Firstly, manually place the pallet and drop the mold box on it. Ensure that the lower edge of the pallet is at the same height as the block receiving device. Ensure that the height of the lower edge of the feeding box is same height as the upper surface of the mold box. Ensure that the lower edge of the pallet on the pallet's feeder is at the same height as the vibration platform. Ensure that the height of the hook of the pallet's feeder is less than the thickness of the single-piece pallet, by manual polishing. 6. Lubrication work. Fill half full of the gear oil to the vibration box. Do not add too much or add full, as it will affect the vibration force. Fill in the gearbox with gear oil. The gear rack is lubricated with engine oil. Use a grease gun to add grease to the shaft sleeve of the guiding column and other bearing parts. Engine oil and grease should be applied twice a day before working. Seven. Single-click test for each movement. Up mold go up and down. Front and back. Lower mold go up and down. Feeding box go in and out. Mixing motor on. Pallets feeder go in and out. Block receiving device motor on. Up vibration motors on. Down vibration motors on. After the electrical control cabinet is powered on, turn on the control panel and switch to manual mode. Test each action by jogging click, and check whether the motor rotation direction is correct. By looking at the rotation direction of the motor fan blades, or motor belts, please note that the direction of rotation of the vibration motor should be both opposite and inward. If it is reversed, correct it by switching any two live wires of it. Eight. Manual operation with empty load. After successful jogging click testing, keep in the manual mode. Continue the empty load test for complete movement operation, and provide video feedback to the manufacturer. Due to the block types and the different raw material recipes, further detailed settings and operations should be completed under the guidance of the manufacturer. Got any questions? Please contact us.